For and for a year, Bulgard, and I just said, no, come on here to happy birthday, one. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Bulgard. Happy birthday. And then you say, one would die now, a dinner March. Say, oh, share that castle, a central cell, and I'll sell only more ever celebrate your birthday.
Maybe that sometime recently.
Okay.
So, my life in I cause LP, so I understand the frustration. This is not what we want to do. There's a bigger plan, but this is just to celebrate the day with them. Yeah, hope you say any big bosses akasa. Nyoma bebre ewo wa ye pese ye mo. Itinyankopon ya do mo mu pria. Beba be sa nyoma na because obi share seller enti say o share nsawa mana say nsawa me institution. Anopa ye mini o ka say omo pie omo abonten omo gin frama but we omo hwe ho sa omo pie enti wo 6 months I will share for 6 months.
Oh, so that's the difference.
Yes, that's the difference. What I say, so when you court state out to us, I say 1 year out to even more share from 2017. Court spend a new mupi and mukoba, and yes, I only want one thing. So I think we have a problem with our accommodation in terms of prisons near there. I think say if we all join hands, your casa, a buying be. We are buying we pay a buying so those are what we are looking at for them to have some comfort because who did out enough baby almost that crying maybe that almost like 4 days. Me fear na me yare cry but
they torture you, the police lady.
Oh, they don't yes, police are normally very fine.
Oh, okay.
You know, it's not about that. It's this. Cry. We should be a police for to cry. We should and yet. What did they can answer? Police for an answer almost show almost. They be almost to cry and yet. And these are things all of us need to advocate to help because almost protect peace. Say almost almost go for no more judge on where now. So we almost pay a day. Plus, we so have a show be on years. We need to be sure or develop this. We not what say what. I think say comfort is everything. And yes, then you better kill the person. Only will be if the person is alive, they are breathing and they are in discomfort. It's not the best of things. Yes.
Why are they planning? I mean, inshallah. Wait, is it still going to continue?
Yes, the idea is we've adopted the cell. My name is Timmy. I adopt the cell. So every month we'll be here.
Wow.
What you say now? We are going to encourage. We're going to speak to other people to also adopt cells. So we will cry every time our boss will say, "Oh, I want to adopt the cell." We every month we will provide supplies near here. You know because some American who will sell us only ubia undidi. Who wants someone my different states? Never show. I'm not buying. But how be and show be. Into ubia and Friday and Bawa how be here. You know, and you're still in that mess. Sad.
Let's just say me you kasa yema. Let's just say omo model cells no nyo nyina no mo di boni said ye assume e wo outside no.
We say me say but me using me as an example.
Okay.
Who share who follow what brought me here me can send be or UTV.
Yeah.
And then me be here. Say me nye boni bi asa. Me sumu o mu nye shi. Obi be ka say we are be on yes and most of them, if you look at it technically, even Uko Kota, they are all pleading not guilty until proven guilty. What you are saying? Whether they are guilty or not, Omuye Nipa. That's the most underlying thing. Say, well, Kunipa or Kunipa, so we are dear, so we are dear, or Nipa. What you are saying until before Ube. Man in his sentence, and at least they need to live in some sort of comfort. What I say, the prison system is supposed to take your time off. Your time is okay. To me, you get your much time, but the Jew time, the humanity. I said we should be able to still live as a human being. Yes.
Yo, last me jaw hokra amawa kono. Bulldog, a day a footstool and our wadima and youth or more urban because I'm sure say what you went through no business so Akoma Nipana Jim for I Jim Bonnie after situation no one Yayanka. I do my need and could be Eddie Bonnie, dear footstool now or Edima youth out there.
Oh, make us almost well, be fine. You know, usually, almost here, but usually to most importantly, you need to go through your own experiences to be able to learn. But like I tell you, from team for Casa, be better than yes. Then you say, but I'm too we are very fine.
Yeah, that's super great. Thank you so much. Happy birthday once again.